Whichever is nearest and whichever is safest, use the staircase and come down and come at the assembly area. This is not assembly area, move slightly away there. Now while there is smoke, when there is smoke, never run. When there is smoke, never run in smoke. Take a kerchief or a cloth, tie it around your nose and mouth first, and go crawling. You're supposed to go crawling. Why? Because smoke always goes up. Smoke always goes up. When you're crawling, your vision is clear. Your vision is clear, toxicity is less. If you stand up, the toxicity becomes more there, becomes more. So your vision is clear. Why you're supposed to cover your nose and mouth? It filters the toxicity. By chance, flames to the body, never run. Never run with flames to the body. Common sense is stop, drop on the ground, and roll on the ground is very, very important. When there is flames on the body, why you're not supposed to run? If you run, it increases. Why you're supposed to drop is when you stand up, maximum flames to your brain. Cover your eyes and face, your God-given ID card. Stop, drop on the ground, and roll on the ground is common sense. Now you want to save this person. You want to save this person. He or she is screaming. Search for a bedsheet or a blanket. Search for a bedsheet or a blanket. Never come in the front. Never come in the front. If you come in the front, that person also will hug you and say, you also come along with me. First time I'm going there. Never go in the front. Always from the side or the back. Put on the person and roll the person on the ground is common sense. In our country, 4 important numbers is knowing common sense. Police is 100, fire is 101, and traffic number 103, and single number in both the states is 108. Now friends, while evacuating the buildings, I said SS physically challenged, SS pregnant ladies. You can't tell them, तुम लोग lift के अंदर जाओ, जल्दी जा सकते, जल्दी नीचे नहीं ऊपर जा सकते. How to assess those people there? Imagine he's not able to walk. Assess these people by making a small chair. It's called as 2 hands. Make a small chair and say, come on, sit, and we take you as quickly as possible. Helping somebody to be evacuated from the floors. Maybe a colleague there, somebody is carrying there, pregnant. Little heavier. 3 hands. What is 3 hands? He gives 2, he gives 1, and say, come on, sit, and we take you as quickly as possible. Helping somebody to be evacuated from the floors. So that person needs help. That person will be physically challenged or a pregnant ladies. Now you may say, we have got some 100 kgs, very 100 kgs. We can't tell them, why did you eat so much? Emergency mein kya karenge udhar? 2 hands is not possible, 3 hands is not possible, 4 hands. What is 4 hand? My right to the left. We join together and we say, come on, sit. And we take you as quickly as possible. It's called as 4 hands. Helping somebody to be evacuated from the floors. It's called as 4 hands. Let me show you a lift called fireman's lift. Conscious or unconscious. It's called as fireman's lift. Conscious or unconscious person also can be put, and my one hand is still free there. It's called as a fireman's lift. A small child has to be evacuated, which is from a theater or a mall there. You're gone with the family, the small child is there. There's a bomb threat and everybody are running helter-skelter. You can't lift the child like this. You will dash somebody. The child is not able to walk brisk with you. We were all playing when we were small. It's called as pick a back. Tell the child, hold me tight, and you come out, excuse me. The child will not leave you, and we come out as quickly as possible there. Now friends, your building has been provided with smoke detectors, so that in case if there is a fire or a smoke, these detect and give a signal. But if you see a fire, don't look at the detector. If you see a fire, trigger the manual call points. And open the wall anti-clockwise. When you open the wall, the gas comes out which is non-poisonous, CO2 gas. When you open the wall, the gas comes out which is non-poisonous. Hit the gas to the base of the fire. Base ko mara hoga. First, let me show you theoretically how the gas comes out. When the gas comes out, it makes a sound. Don't leave the extinguisher enough. I repeat, when you open the wall, the gas comes out with a sound. Don't leave the extinguisher enough, because you all know that whichever gas from wherever it comes, आवाज तो आ जाएगा उधर. So इधर से भी आवाज आएगा. So here let the sound. आवाज आ जाएगा. Non poisonous chewed gases. Thumbs up, soda, Sprite, Fanta, Miranda, beer. When I say beer, a lot of guests gets confidence. Some of you can move this side. You know, some 2 minutes. Thank you for your patience. In spite of the sun there, you have been standing there. Kindly move this. Kindly go back, one step there so that everybody can see. Don't give a gap. Make a circle, bigger circle there. Kindly move this side. Yes, yes. Last 2 minutes. Still, I want you all to be style going back here. Yeah, here, little there. My friend. Hello. Yes. Just forgot one important thing also, friends. If there's a fire in the building, don't stand for a selfie there and don't start meeting there and inside the building in the fire there. That's a very important, because I saw my friend busily typing, tweeting something there. So I wanted to give a message. Tweeting or selfie is prohibited in case of fire in the building. You're supposed to be backwards. A small fire.
All of you come on, please. 2 step back.
And he operates, and then I want 1 or 2 wardens to operate the small fire, and the fire is out. 1 step back so that your safety is important. Still, once again, do not inhale the smoke. Yeah, little is enough. Yeah. Bring the extinguisher this side. The smoke is going that side. I want to do wardens there. Show your colleagues that yes, you're doing the basic training. Left hand hose. Support the extinguisher. Little is enough. Little. You open it very little. Pritesh Patko wall. Little. Yes. Very good. Give a clap in there. Lift the base. 1 or 2 wardens there. 1 or 2 wardens. Left hand rubber. Left hand wall rubber. And little. Very little. Open the wall little. That's all. Why I'm saying little is it shouldn't jump out. The people are standing there. 1 or 2 people there. 1 or 2 there. Left hand rubber. Reverse. Good. Little more. 1 or 2 there. Left hand rubber. I wanted a non-ERD member from the 4th floor. A non-ERD member after this. Anybody can. 1 of you from 4th floor. Yeah, you're from 4th floor. 4th floor, please. 4th floor. Yes. If you put off 4th floor, it's totally safe there. Let me see. 1 second. 1 second. Little is enough. 4th floor is totally safe there. 3rd floor. I want something from 3rd floor. Yes. My friend. Left, 3rd floor. बचा दो उधर अभी 1 मिनट वॉल खोलना है रिवर्स वॉल कंट्रोल वॉल यस 3rd floor also is totally safe 2nd floor you know which floor okay next wheel yeah left hand somebody take this photo no just put it out please left reverse friends he wanted a photograph you didn't take it First floor, my friend. First floor, yeah, very good. Left hand. I want 1 lady participant, non-ERD member. 1 of you. Here, my friend. The first, yeah, you come. If she can, everybody can. Left hand rubber. If she can, everybody can. Once again, anti-clockwise. Listen. Open the wall. Come on, you can, I can, we can. Open the wall. Little more. Fantastic. So simple it is, firefighting is so simple, but knowing how to operate extinguisher makes a big difference. Thank you all being so much patient waiting here. I know it's hot, sir. Sorry for that. But in an emergency, we never know when an emergency can. Thank you all. I thank the management there, especially Tiwari and Mr. Purna for giving us the opportunity. Kindly go back. We give you all clear signal. Wardens, kindly be here for a review 2 minutes meeting. All clear. Kindly go back.
Okay.